again, brother.
Hello.
Liz.
I'm Liz Babanod.
Hello. And today we're having another session of books and babies. And we don't know whether you saw the video last week. So for those of you who didn't, just a quick introduction about our books and babies session. So they're very short videos, about 10-15 minutes. We know babies don't have a very long attention span, so we're keeping it short for about the ages 12 to 18 months. And the whole idea of this is to introduce your little ones to books, really engaging with them, really being with them, and we're also going to be singing some songs as well. So we're going to start off with an old favourite, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So if you're looking at your babies, so they can see you and they can hear you, and we're going to use our hands, and we're going to do some actions. When you're ready, steady, go.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay. That was lovely. Well done, everybody. That was really great. And the next one we're going to sing, we've got our little Baba Black Sheep here. Baba Black Sheep. Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
We'll sing it with Gal next, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little girl who lives down the lane. Yay!
Now, one that you might not be familiar with, that we so enjoyed doing last week. We're bringing it back again this week as well. So, it's called Galump.
And it's a little green frog.
And it's a little green frog, first of all, and then a little pink pig.
Right.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Went the little green frog one day, and the frog went ah. But we know frogs go tra-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la. We know frogs go tra-la-la-la-la. They don't go ah. Went the little pink pig one day. Went the little pink pig. Went the little pink pig one day, and the pig went ah. But we know pigs go tra-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la. We know pigs go tra-la-la-la-la. They don't go ah.
Fantastic. Such a fun little song. We love that one.
Makes me giggle.
It makes me giggle too. So next we're going to talk about the books. Now, maybe some of you have managed to get to our libraries and pick up your Books and Babies pack, which will have in it a Baby's First Shape book
And Bouncing Babies.
Bouncing Babies. And if you haven't picked them up, then please do give one of your local Aura libraries a call and just let them know you'd like to pop in and pick up your Books and Babies pack so you can get them. I'll mention the branches again. So from Buckley, Broughton, Connors Quay, Holywell, Flint, Mould, or the mobile library. And they'll be really pleased to see you and give you your starter pack.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So Liz is just going to have a little chat about the shapes one now.
The shapes one, as you can see, are in black and white. And it is known that they're the first colours that a baby sees first off. They can see the shapes and the shading, and you can, if you open up to the book, once you have it at home, you can trace around with your baby's hands, or we have another little song that you can use with the book or with your hand, and Maz will demonstrate that hand.
So we're going to do
round and round
the garden
like a teddy bear.
One step, two step,
tickly under there. And you can do that a number of times and they will remember. But don't forget, you're facing your baby, so he or she is watching your expressions and the sounds, and pretty soon you'll end up with some giggles. Not every baby will like it on their hand. It depends on how much sensory they enjoy, but you have both options to use.
Absolutely, yeah, that's
Right.
been lovely. I've really enjoyed that again, and we hope that you'll join us again next week for another Books and Babies
Absolutely.
session.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining us.
Bye bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.